silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous.